we can see that, or we can see the performance of this launcher on our unboxing and spin test. And then we also have this little one right there, which is used for this one. Oops. Okay. I get it. Yeah, it falls, man. And where's the in and out right there? Is it this one? Am I correct? Okay. Yeah, this is a little bit better than the other one. Okay, on the first one, which we have here, your Dragoon. Yeah. So we'll have also a comparison next time. It's nice to have a comparison. And yeah, I will not use that. So now let's go to the Beyblades itself. Okay. So the Beyblades has its... Oh, nice, man. Wow. It's nice because every Beyblade... Yeah, let's go first to the trigger. Every Beyblade has its own parts. It has a blade. It has... I think it has an assist blade. And then it has a ratchet. And also its own beat. All of them, okay? All of them. But we also have a spare beat, which is a needle and a needle. Two needles. Yeah. The other one is blue, and I think the blue is glittered, and then the white one. Okay, so now you have an option on what beat you will use, because the trigger has a two what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 260 needle for the trigger. Yeah, for the trigger you will have a 260. For the Drazill, you will have a 460. Yeah, you'll have 460 needle for your Drazill. You can see that. 460. Yep. Okay, so that's your Drazill. Here. Yeah. Focus on the Beyblade, not on my face. Okay. So, ooh. I think it's still plastic, man. Yeah, it's still plastic. Yeah. We will get more on that on the unboxing, spin test, and test battle. Okay. And for the Dranzer is a taper. Taper 360. A taper 360. Yeah, I think. Yeah, right there. Okay? And this is the blade. Ooh, and it's big, man. It's big. And then we also have the Dragoon. The GT Dragoon. Right there. And it's... Is it taper? I forgot, man. This one, I forgot this kind of beat. But the ratchet is... 460. Yeah, it's 460. Okay, so it's white and then with red at the center.